Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, so today is the 4th day of spring. Yes, I think today is the 4th of spring. And what happened is I have some plants that I definitely really want to take out though, but I can't because the weather is still striving, pretty cold from time to time. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to put them in the sun so I can let the sun start hardening them. Because seeing they was indoor for such a long time, you want to make sure you bring them out from time to time, not direct in the sun. You don't want to put them direct in the sun. You want to put them in a shaded area where the sun could penetrate them for a little. I do it for like at least 30 minutes and then I take them back indoor. So basically what I'm doing, I'm trying to harden them, make them get used to the sunlight, because you know the sunlight can be tough on them sometimes, and if you just bring them out and leave them in the sun, maybe the sun might scorch them up and then they got to start over. So this is some ginger I have here. Look how tall these ginger are. Some of these ginger is almost 3 feet tall, but I don't want to take them out though until that last frost, because I don't want to, when I take them out, then the weather hit them, then I got to start over. All right, so what I'm doing today, I'm hardening some of my plant. What the sun gonna do? The sun gonna start to harden their leaf. Okay, the sun got, because right now they is very delicate because we know they wasn't getting the full sunlight. So what the sun gonna start do from time to time, the sun gonna start harden their leaf and start preparing them for the real hot sun. So 30 minutes is at least I'll give them and take them back indoors. Not everyone harden their plant. Some of my plant I really do harden them, but I'm trying to do some research for myself, some experiment, and see if you really need to harden them or not. But for the people who doing it from the cool areas, please, you should definitely allow the plants to get hardened for 30 minutes at least. Sometimes you could do it 3 times a week, 4 times a week, is up to you. All right, so this is how I harden my plant. I bring them out in the shade, not direct sun, because the direct sun might damage them because they're not used to that heat. So like what I'm doing here now, we're gonna start, these are basil right here, and these are rosemary, and we have some parsley in between. All right, so this is what's going on, guys. This is how I harden the leaf of my plant, because the sun will scorch them if you just lift them out. They're tender. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.